everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can go from this to this. Many of us are starting the school year with some form of distance education, whether it's virtual or hybrid. But just because we're doing distance education doesn't mean students need to be doing everything digitally. We still want to incorporate those pen and paper analog activities. I'm going to show you how you can leverage the versatility of Google Slides to capture that analog work digitally, provide annotations, and more. Here's how. First, you need analog work and Google Slides. So I recommend having students insert their analog work as an image as the background. That way it won't move around if they are creating annotations. We're going to click background, or you can do a right click onto the background of the slide, choose image, and then we have camera. So we can hold up our analog work, click the camera button. If we're happy with that, we can just click insert and done. Now this is on the background of the slide. Students can come in with text boxes, write their thinking in expanded form. They can use thought bubbles to call out their thinking here and then type what they were thinking. As an accessibility tip, voice typing will not work in the text boxes, however it will work in the speaker notes. So students could click down here in the speaker notes, go to tools, turn on voice typing. It works as a toggle. Today I solved 241 times 3 equals 723. First, I drew my 3 groups, and you see the point. They could explain their thinking by talking. Another choice is to use the Google Slides app on a phone. With the Google Slides app installed on your phone, you can open that, open up the file, then click the plus in the top right, choose image from camera, then take a picture of your desired analog work, click OK if you're satisfied, and it will insert it directly into the Google slide. If you learned something new today to add to your virtual teaching toolbox, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for future videos. Until next time, bye everyone.